Long, long ago, far, far away, lived a couple. It was Thomas and Marcia, and they were lucky enough to find a goose. This goose, each time it coughed, happened to lay a golden egg. No way! It coughed, golden egg, golden egg, golden egg. Oh, they thought we're gonna be so rich. But Marcia thought, well, the coughing isn't happening fast enough, not enough eggs. Let's take it outside, into the cold. A few extra coughs, but not enough eggs fast enough. Let's take it inside, into the freezer. Well, if you're freezing, you're gonna cough oh so much. So into the freezer. Two more coughs, but then the coughs stop. Open up the freezer. Oh no! We froze the golden goose egg-making goose. The end. The lesson is, greed will make you do some crazy things.